Let's talk about blood flow through heart. These are lesson outlines, location and general structure. What are four chambers and valves of heart? What are walls of heart composed of? Pathway of blood flow through the heart. First one is structure and location of heart. Heart is located slightly left of the center of your chest. It sits behind the breastbone and is nestled between the right and left lungs. It is enclosed by the pericardium, a two-layered sac. Let's talk about walls of heart. Epicardium is outermost layer, which is also visceral layer of serous pericardium. Myocardium is thickest layer and has mascular tissues responsible for contractions. Endocardium is innermost layer and lines heart chambers and valves and made of squamous epithelium and connective tissues. The heart has four chambers, two upper chambers called atria, right and left, two lower chambers called ventricles, right and left. These chambers are separated by muscular walls called septa. Right atrium receives deoxygenated blood from body through superior and inferior vena cava. Right atrium receives blood from right atrium and pumps it to lungs. Left atrium receives oxygenated blood from lungs through pulmonary vein and pumps it to left ventricle, which pumps it to body through aorta. Check out this detailed diagram. Let's talk about heart valves. The four heart valves. Mitral valve, located between the left atrium and left ventricle. Tricuspid valve, located between the right atrium and right ventricle. Aortic valve, located between the left ventricle and the aorta. Pulmonary valve, located between the right ventricle and the pulmonary artery. Last but not the least, functions of valves. Mitral and tricuspid valve let blood flow to ventricles, while the aortic and pulmonary valves open to pump blood out to the lungs and the rest of the body. When the ventricles relax, the aortic and pulmonary valves close, and the mitral and tricuspid valves open again to refill with blood from the atria.